Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So based on the title of the video, you already know what we're about to make today in the kitchen. And guys, this video is so much fun and it's so inexpensive. I'm coating my flour tortilla with a little melted butter. Guys, the flour one is the best one to use when you're making desserts. Now I'm going to add some granulated sugar, or you may call it white sugar, mixed with cinnamon powder to my tortilla. I will repeat the same process on the other side, and I'll do this for all the other tortilla. I'm going to cut each tortilla into 4 pieces. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified each time I put up a new video. This is a very easy step, but the most important step of them all. I am going to take 2 pieces of the tortilla and I'm going to put them in opposite direction on top of each other, and I'm going to place them in the muffin tins. Guys, make sure to grease your muffin tins before you do this. Do you see how easy that was? I'm going to repeat that very same step for the other cups. I went ahead and I put my cups in the oven for 13 minutes. I'm making some whipped cream for one of my tortilla cup, and my only reason for doing that because I already have some heavy cream at home, so I didn't need to go to the store to buy some. And I'm using heavy cream, a little sugar, and a little vanilla. The hardest part is over, guys. Now it's time to have fun. Look how golden brown those are. Oh my god, and they were so easy to make. Guys, if you ever try this, make sure to send me pictures so I can post them on my Instagram page. I am using different types of toppings and fillings. Guys, you can use whatever you like. I am using ice cream and whipped cream, and also some leftover cake that I have for my friend wedding cake that I made. I'm gonna post a picture above. And thank you, friend, for trusting me to make your wedding cake. I appreciate that. Guys, this is the time to be creative. You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do with your tortilla cups. Make whatever you want to make. You can add rice in them. You can add vegetable. You can add seasonal fruits. And it's best to use seasonal fruits because it's cheaper. Just go ahead and be creative. You can use this cup as well to make parfaits in the morning. You can just add your yogurt and your fruits with your granola, and they will be perfect. And guys, so you know, I will only be posting on Sundays and Wednesdays. On Sundays, I will only post desserts, and on Wednesdays, I will post entrees and appetizers, or whatever you guys want me to make for you. Guys, I'm so happy about the end product of this recipe. It was so inexpensive and it was very, very easy to do. Make sure to try it, and if you do, remember to send me a picture. I'm actually using some confectioner's sugar for garnishing, and the recipe will be in the description box below.